Hey guys, I'm here with you today because I recently received this package and we're gonna open it up. So if you are curious what's inside and want to see the review, stay tuned. So recently a brand called AUAG, and I know it might be backwards in the video, I don't know if it's gonna flip or not. Anyway, it's AUAG. They are a gaming chair company that reached out to me in order for me to review their chair. Anyway, yeah, with that, let's just get started. Let's pop this baby open, see what tools I'm gonna need to put it together, and hopefully it's not too difficult. Winter, you gonna help? You gonna help with the box? Bust this open and see if we can put it together. This is a lot of tape, definitely. Oh. Yeah, they put a lot of tape on this. This is crazy. But I guess it's good. They wrapped it like very securely. Okay, so you can kind of see the pieces are in there, wrapped with more little bubble wrap around them. Let's pull this out. We got legs. Watch out, cat. Watch out. You're in the way. What are you doing? My cat's over here trying to help. Okay, here's the seat. That looks pretty comfy. Whoa. Everything feels really sturdy so far. His arm. Everything's popping as I pull it out. Another arm. Cool, cool, cool. My fuzzy, stay focused, please. And let's see, some sort of box of things. Another very oddly wrapped up thing. But at least it's taped, it's secure. They just had to wrap a weird object, I guess. And instructions. I got instructions. Oh, 2 instructions. Oh my goodness. Okay. I guess I should read the instructions and then put it together. Okay, so again, we got random boxes. Arm, legs, arm, back, and seat. And here's the instructions. Let's see. AUAG office chair. This was wrapped in a glove, and it's just like a little, it's one of the knobs for the chair, but wrapped in a glove. Okay, I can't hate. Sometimes you gotta do what you do, but it's kind of weird. Okay, back to the chair. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm just kind of taking everything out of the box, making sure it's all organized. I'm pretty anal, so I put everything in order, made sure I knew what all the parts were and everything before. So if you've never like really assembled anything yourself, this is really helpful to do. So make sure you keep everything neat and in order, and it'll go together a lot easier that way. As you can see, everything was wrapped up really nicely. No damages, nothing weird going on. There's the headrest, the seat, no parts were missing, everything was there. And now I start with the assembly. So the wheels were the first thing, and they were kind of hard to go in. I'm a little concerned. I mean, I've never put a chair together before, so I don't know how different this is from other chairs, but they just pop into the bottom. There's no screw. And same thing with that, the actual stand part of the chair, it just slides right into the middle. There's no bolts or anything. But it's been a few days now that I'm actually doing this voiceover, and I haven't had any problems with it like coming apart or anything, so I don't think that's a huge problem. And then just putting the actual like levers on the bottom of the chair part, that's pretty easy. Just make sure you get it lined up right, but the holes are all like pre-drilled in. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up for a minute and you guys can just watch the rest. here it is so far. I just want to take a quick pause. This part right here kind of took me a second. You got to really fuss with that to make sure the holes are aligned. But overall, other than that, oh, you want to get on the chair? Come on. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. That's her command. She knows jump. She's so smart, aren't you? What do you think of the chair, huh? What do you think? Let me know. But anyway, other than the bolts on that side being a little weird, it's been pretty easy. The instructions, all the pieces, screws, I don't know why I couldn't remember that word. All the screws are labeled. They got that little Allen wrench, so you don't need any other tools. It includes everything you need, and it says like here, really tiny, oh there it is, which screws you need on each part and where everything goes. So yeah, pretty easy so far. It's been like less than 20 minutes that I've been building this, and I'm almost done. And it's fully cat approved. Cat approved already, right? So here we see my trusty assistant. She's testing it out for me. She's being cute, but I had to get rid of her. So I was trying to put on this little cover thing, and this one was kind of difficult. It just pops in, but it's like a small area, so you don't have a lot of space to like get leverage. So you kind of have to like really smack it to pop it in place. That was really one of the few areas where I had some trouble. I don't know why I struggled with that part so much. But yeah, I'll just chill out and you guys enjoy the rest of the assembly. Okay, and here is the final result. My new chair from AUAG. You can find them on Amazon, or the link is going to be below. I'm really happy with it. It came together in like 20 minutes. Really not too complicated to put together. And here is the back. Now, it's definitely one of their like simpler gaming chairs, but I still really love this like white. It's like kind of armored, looks very sci-fi. I dig it. Okay, here we are. So far, I really like it. It leans back really nicely. Feels really comfortable, very spinny. I can be an evil villain. I like that. The height, where is it? No, I can't really see. Okay, lift that one and go back and forth this one. Oh, so you can lock this. So, sorry, I'm like trying to figure out the controls. So you can lock it on the bottom so that it doesn't go back, or you can open it and then lock it in place where you want. Very comfy, so comfy. I like the headrest. Ugh, come on. I like the headrest. Let's lock it right there. That's very, oh, it swivels a little bit. That's nice. So you can see it goes up and down. Comfy. I like the support. It's so much better on my posture already. Like I can just sit like this and it feels, my shoulders have been having some pain, so I can feel the difference just sitting with it. And then we've got height, go up higher, go lower, all the normal stuff that a chair should do. Yeah, I like the simple like black mesh. Like I said, I like the black and white. It's kind of got this like armory, sci-fi kind of look, almost like, I don't, not really like a stormtrooper, but I don't know, some other kind of white armored sci-fi person. Anyway, thank you once again to AUAG for sending me this chair to test out. If anything weird happens, I'm sure I will give an update, but you will see me on Twitch and on Instagram at the Lilybat. If you want to see if I like this in the next week or if I decide I hate it suddenly. Okay, so my final thoughts on the chair, at least for just now having it put together. Assembly was actually pretty easy. It took me like 20 minutes. It came with all the tools you needed. Everything was really nicely labeled. Instructions were really clear and simple. So it was just like plug it in, screw a few little bolts in, and you're done. I like the design, I like the shape. It's pretty clean. Everything went together fine. I don't see any damage or tears or anything like that on the chair. And yeah, shipping, I think it was Prime. No, it wasn't even Prime, but it had free shipping, and it took like 5 days, less than 5 days to get here. Thank you once again, AUAG, for sending me this chair. I'm super happy to get to work with you guys. Like I said, if you're interested in purchasing this or one of the other designs that they offer, the link is going to be down below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and click subscribe for more gaming videos, reviews, and other cool stuff. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!